Welcome to Network Tutorial. My name is Sabir. This video I will showing you how to fix your browser issue. So friend, let's see. I trying to browse Facebook and other sites, but I cannot this site reached. So this reason I going to run and type ncpa.cpl. Okay, I go to my Wi-Fi Ethernet and go properties and select IPv4 and change my DNS and type 888.8. Okay, and one time I disable and enable my Wi-Fi Ethernet. Friends, now I trying to browse Facebook. Yes, it's come back again. Okay friends, hopefully this video help you. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share my video.